Alright, so let's begin the installation by grabbing the three M8x20mm Allen bolts. Grab the large mounting bracket and an M5 Allen key. For now, you don't need any tools. Just grab the M8x60mm bolts, hand thread them into the engine block, the oil pan block. Leave it nice and loose, just a couple of turns. Last one is in the center at the rear. Now you have the M5 Allen key, and you can start spinning it in. Nice and easy. Go at it gradually. Don't tighten one and then move to the next one. And when it's sucked up against the engine, you can grab the ratchet and start tightening it. The torque specs are here at the bottom of the screen. You don't need to use Loctite. You should not use Loctite for the engine. Now you will grab the skid plate and the supplied bolts, which in this case is the M8x20mm Allen bolts, 4 of them. Same process, just hand thread. The sequence doesn't matter, whichever is the easiest for you to access first. So nice and easy, hand thread, just a couple of turns until all 4 bolts have engaged. Here you have to use Loctite. And then you can grab the 2 M6x16mm Allen bolts. Also hand thread and use Loctite before you thread in the bolts. And now you can grab the Allen key, 5mm Allen key or 5mm Allen socket with ratchet and start tightening the M8 bolts on the bottom. Again, just gradually. And the torque specs are at the bottom of the screen here. Then after, you will grab the M4 Allen key or M4 Allen socket and ratchet and tighten the bolts on the front as well. Like so, and the torque specs are at the bottom of the screen again. And this is pretty much a wrap. This is what the skid plate looks like when it's installed. Make sure to go out for a test ride after the installation is completed and double check all the bolts once again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment or contact us directly. Much appreciated.